Mini PCs are known for their compact size, but the Tank packs a serious punch, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs a powerful machine without the bulky footprint of a traditional desktop. So if you're looking for a powerhouse in a tiny package, keep on watching as we explore 5 reasons why the Chatreey TANK Mini PC might be the perfect fit for you. Don't let the small size fool you. The Tank features the latest Intel Core i9-12900H processor, boasting 14 cores and 20 threads. This powerhouse can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease, whether you're editing high-resolution videos, streaming games at the highest settings, or running multiple programs simultaneously. The Tank doesn't just boast raw processing power, it's equipped with DDR5 memory for incredibly fast data transfer speeds. This translates to smoother multitasking, quicker application loading times, and an overall more responsive system, keeping you in the flow and eliminating frustrating lag. Gamers and creative professionals rejoice. The Tank comes equipped with the NVIDIA RTX 3080 graphics card, a powerhouse in its own right. This graphics beast delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to experience stunning visuals in your favorite games and edit even the most complex video projects with ease. The Tank isn't just powerful, it's also intelligent. It features a 3-level CPU power adjustment system, allowing you to find the perfect balance between performance and power consumption. This is ideal for everyday tasks where you don't need the full force of the i9 processor, saving you energy and keeping noise levels down. The beauty of the Tank lies in its size. This mini PC packs a serious punch while maintaining a remarkably compact design. This makes it perfect for small spaces, easy to transport, and ideal for minimalist setups. Whether you're a student living in a dorm room, a content creator on the go, or simply someone who values a clean and clutter-free workspace, the Tank offers exceptional power without sacrificing precious desk space. So, there you have it. 5 compelling reasons why the Chatreey TANK Mini PC with the Intel Core i9 processor should be your next computing companion. If you're looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile machine, the Tank is definitely worth considering. For a closer look at the Chatreey TANK Mini PC and to check out the amazing price, be sure to check the link in the video description below. We've included a link directly to the product page on AliExpress.